Hi children, I am going to tell you a small story now. This is Jenny. She is playing with her doll in the garden. Suddenly it starts raining, so Jenny runs home, leaving the doll outside. She forgets all about it. Just before going to bed, Jenny realized that she had left her doll in the garden. So she wants to go out and get her doll back. But her mother stops her. She asked her mother, "Why can't I go out?" Her mother replied, "You will catch hold if you get wet in the rain." She asked her mother, "Won't my doll catch hold if she stays outside?" Her mother replied, "Your doll will not catch hold, Jenny. You are different from your doll. When you were born, you were a baby. Now look at you, you have grown up, right? Has your doll grown in size?" She replied, "No, ma, my doll has not grown like me." "But why has she not grown?" Her mother replied, "Because your doll is a non living thing. You are a living thing. You can breathe, you can feel, you can eat, and you can move from one place to another place. But your doll cannot do all these activities. Okay, like us, plants, animals also are living things. Can you see these pictures of table, balloon, pencil, clock? These things are called as a non-living things. Okay, why it is called as non-living things? Because it cannot breathe, it cannot grow, it cannot move from one place to another place. Can you see the other pictures? Butterfly, tree, fish and insect. So these things are called as a living things. Why is it called as living things? Because it can breathe, it can move from one place to another place, it can feel. So it is called as a living thing. So the characteristics of living things are: living things breathe, living things can move from one place to another place, living things need food and water to live, living things grow, living things reproduce, living things die, living things feel. So these are the characteristics of living things. Okay, so if we take a human beings breathe through their nose, they move with the help of their legs. Okay, if we take a plant, how do plants breathe? Plants breathe through tiny pores called stomata found in the leaves. What is meant by pores? Pores is nothing but a very small holes which is present in the lower part of the leaf. Okay, so plants breathe through tiny pores called stomata found in the leaves. Okay, whether the plants move from one place to another place? No, the plants will not move from one place to another place, but they are fixed to the ground. For example, sunflower plant move in the direction of sunlight. From this we can observe the movement of the flower in the sunflower plant. Can you see the next plant? That is a touch-me-not plant. Okay, if we touch the leaves of the touch-me-not plant, immediately it closes their leaves on touching. So from this we can observe the movement of the leaves of the touch-me-not plant. Okay, then some animals breathe with the help of their nose. Fish breathe with the help of their gills. Insects breathe with the help of their air hole which is present in their bodies. Insects like cockroaches, mosquitoes, then grasshopper breathe with the help of their air holes. Then some animals moves with the help of their legs. Okay, fish swim with the help of their fins. Birds fly with the help of their wings. Can you see this pictures? These are the vehicles: car, bike and truck. We can see the lot of car, buses and trucks are moving on the road. Where though they move, they are called as non-living things. Car, buses and trucks are do not move on their own. They move only when an external force is applied on them. So they are known as non-living things. Okay, can you see this picture? The boy is riding a bicycle. Here the boy is a living thing, bicycle is a non-living thing. Bicycle is not moving on their own, it is operated by the boy. So bicycle is a non-living thing. Okay, children. Next class we can see the other characteristics of living things. Thank you, children.